What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and good morning. So I'm up, doing some packaging and all that fun stuff, and I thought I would make this video here. So today has actually been the best day I've had in retail arbitrage so far. I mean, with the whole Amazon FBA stuff, so that's pretty cool. We also got a payment of $1,031.84 yesterday, so that should be hitting the account tomorrow, or Monday. So basically, we're gonna take the whole entire $1,000 and we're gonna go to some stores and stuff like that, so you guys can see firsthand. Go back to the store, start scanning stuff like that. Because I know it's been a long time since I actually made any videos of me going out to the stores and scanning and stuff like that. But I mean, it's literally the same exact thing in every single store. You pick up a product, you scan it, you send it in. Like I mean, that's it. It's not like how CPA is, where if you promote on Craigslist, it's completely different from promoting on Facebook, or it's completely different from promoting on Bing. It's completely different on each platform. If you go into Walmart, Target, the Goodwill, a thrift store, a mom and pop shop, you literally do the same exact damn thing in every single store. Like, I don't know. Like, so I just didn't really make them, because I mean, there was really no point. But I'll start making some of those and whatnot. So we'll do our $1,000 campaign. So let me know some stores and stuff like that that you guys want to go to down below. So again, payment $1,000, and then our balance right now is also $1,000. And today we are at the highest we have ever been for one day. We're at $394.93. That's not bad at all. That is pretty freaking cool, if I do say so myself. I think last time it was like 380 something dollars or whatever. But remember 4 months back, guys, when we literally got started with just like a few $100s. Now look at the account here, right? Now I did slack off for like a few weeks, not even gonna lie or whatnot, because again, we had a whole bunch of stuff going on. So I did slack off a little bit, but you guys see it, right? That few $100s turned into this here, right? So let's see, let's show you guys what sold, stuff like that. So of course you guys already know the video games, that stuff sells like water. That stuff sells like all damn day long. But yeah, so we picked those up for about $1 to $3. Again, DS has probably bought that for like $7 to $10 or whatever. But this right here is the main thing, right? This is the modem that I showed you guys literally in the video a few days ago, right? Sold for $95, probably paid around 15 to $20 for it. Super simple stuff, guys. Like, it's literally just that simple, and then these divider things right here, I actually got these for around like 10 cents or something like that at the Goodwill. I mean, not the Goodwill, but at Walmart. So this stuff is super simple, guys. Like, honestly, I don't know how anyone has trouble doing this. This is literally like the easiest stuff on the freaking planet, right? And if you are a Landshark Profits member, this is literally where all the training is. Like, everything, video game selling, the whole nine yards, everything is in here. I'm also going to be adding in a wholesaling portion here soon, probably within the next 2 weeks, because I actually found this super awesome website, and basically it's like one giant wholesaler site. So like, if you don't want to go out and message distributors or look for them and all that stuff, super simple. Literally just sign up to the website. Everything is right there. It tells you how much money you're going to make before you even buy, like you would if you're scanning. Like, everything is right there. The graphs, like everything, how many times it's sold in the last month, everything you possibly need is already on the site. And there isn't even a fee for joining the website. So that's pretty cool as well. The only downfall that I could see is that they make you have a business. At least they asked me for a business. Like, when you sign up on the form, it tells you that you have to put in your EIN number, right? So I don't know if they'll accept a regular social security number, but if they don't, then you have to be a registered business to actually join this website. Another downfall is that there isn't like any lots under 4 figures, right? So I mean, I've seen a few, a couple here and there that were like, the bare minimum was like 500, but everything else was 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 12,000. So pretty much the mid range was like anywhere from like 1,000 to like $15,000, right? So it all depends on your budget or whatnot. So this site will require a lot more of a budget or whatever. So I'll be putting that in there within the next 2 weeks, because I want to buy some stuff from there, get it sent in, get the whole process, let you guys know how to do everything and all that fun stuff. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you got any questions, be dropping down below. Like I said, all this training for the Amazon FBA stuff is in Landshark Profits.